Hello everybody, my name is Cade and I'm here with Renogy to talk to you about our brand new power management system. As we all know, traveling and living far from the grid will have to face a lot of different challenges. And that's the reason why each Caravan should have a reliable power system that keeps everything running smoothly, from lights and appliances to water pumps and entertainment. A good off-grid power system should be able to deliver enough power whenever you need it most, and to grow with users' needs. By integrating charging and power distribution modules paired with Renogy One Core as an energy monitoring hub, the Renogy Power Management System answers the calling to streamline power systems for modern caravans and motorhomes. Unlike typical off-grid power systems that consist of standalone charging units, Renogy's new power management system comes with multiple charging modes, including shore power, solar, vehicle alternator, and a combination of them working all together. So let's take a look at the solar charging first. This built-in 30-amp MPPT solar controller supports up to 800 watts of solar input with a 60-volt max input voltage, giving you the flexible panel configuration and thinner, cheaper cabling. Compared with a traditional PWM charge controller, the MPPT charger gets more usable stored battery power out of solar harvest, helping to reduce power loss by around 30%. When traveling in an RV on the road, the power management system is equipped with DC to DC charging to ensure your house battery stays ready for long outdoor trips. Compatible with both Euro 6 smart engines and traditional alternators, the power management system adapts to your vehicle and not the other way around.
The first mode is called IGN Signal Control Mode. Once a 12-volt ignition signal is received via an ignition wire, and the starter battery voltage stays above 12 volt for over 15 seconds, the system automatically charges your house battery. The second option is the voltage-only control mode. You can select your alternator type and charging voltage directly through the Renogy app or Renogy One Core. This is ideal for anyone who wants to skip installing the ignition wire. If the starter battery runs low while the house battery is healthy, the system will charge the starter battery using shore power, solar input, or the house battery itself to prevent it from draining, so you won't end up with a dead starter battery halfway through your trip.
The power management system can also accept a wide AC input voltage from 100 volt to 240 volt, allowing you to charge house battery at most campsites around the world. Besides, this power management system is compatible with batteries with input voltage ranging from 9 volt to 16 volt, while some charging units will only allow from 10.5 volt to 16 volt. This means the power management system can still identify batteries that are deeply discharged and help them restore power while others cannot. Here comes the best part. The power management system can combine various input to deliver up to 60 amps. With hybrid charging that's 71% faster than other power management systems, you can fully charge a 12-volt 100 amp hour battery in just 1.42 hours.
And a 200 amp hour battery in 2.8 hours.
Spending less time worrying about running out of power and focus on the adventure ahead. Power distribution is where many systems actually fall short. The power management system integrates a full 14-fuse DC distribution block right inside of the unit, so there's no need for a separate distribution box or fuses. 7 of these circuits feature independent relay switches, so you can control individual appliances like water pumps or awnings via the Renogy app or even on Renogy One Core. Among switchable circuits, there are 3 that support PWM dimming, giving you a greater flexibility to adjust the brightness of lights to set the right mood for activities and events. This power management system isn't just a power center. It's your complete energy command hub, powered by the Renogy One Core. This 3.5-inch smart display gives you real-time visibility into every single aspect of your power system, including charging status, battery level, solar input, and load consumption, all from a single screen. With built-in Bluetooth, CAN bus, and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor your system from anywhere. Check on your system's power status from the campsite or remotely access data through the cloud when you're miles away. But it goes further. With Renogy Smart Accessories, smart sensors for temperature, humidity, doors, tanks, and leveling keep your mobile space comfortable and safe around the clock. Thanks to these smart sensors, the integrated home automation helps to streamline your daily routine. For example, you can set leaving mode to shut down non-essential loads, or sleep mode to dim the lights and set the alarm via door sensors. With comprehensive real-time and historical data charts, you can analyze your energy usage patterns across different seasons and environments, helping you plan longer off-grid adventures with confidence. Upgrading your RV's power system has never been easier. Renogy's new power management system combines an AC-DC charger, DC-to-DC charger, MPPT solar charge controller, and distribution block into one compact unit. This highly integrated design helps to save wiring work and 40 to 50% of installation space, compared to traditional distributed setups. For OEM partners, this power management system is built for a straightforward transition. Its compact footprint aligns with industry-standard installations, allowing you to upgrade your power systems without redesigning your RV layouts and get to the market sooner. For end users upgrading their rigs, the transition is also seamless. By adjusting the charging parameters, the Renogy Power Management System can work with AGM, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries, so you can switch to lithium now or later without replacing your charging system. To support a wider range of applications, this power management unit integrates with third-party devices.
For example, you can add heaters or air conditioners to the system. Then you can track the power usage of these appliances right on your monitor display.
As your needs grow, simply plug in additional solar panels, smart sensors, or accessories, and the system scales with you. Renogy's new power management system isn't just any other power management system on the market. It's a complete rethink of how mobile off-grid power should be. Together with Renogy One Core, this ecosystem lets you harness multiple power sources at once and see exactly how every watt is flowing, so you can stay off-grid longer without second-guessing your energy. Whether you're an OEM looking for the most competitive power solution or an RV owner ready to upgrade to true off-grid freedom, Renogy Power Management System is built for you. So again, I'm Cade from Renogy, and we are so excited to be able to bring this to you, bring it to the market, and really change off-grid energy forever. If you are interested in learning more, you can go to Renogy.com. We'll have a page just for this where you can learn everything about it. You can also reach out to us on our social media platforms, Renogy Official, and we would love to talk to you about this brand new system. Again, like I said, we are so excited. Thank you for joining me today, and we will see you off-grid.